Hello everybody, welcome to Jada video. Today I'm going to show you the Ford Excursion. Ford Excursion is a large SUV that competes against the Chevy Suburban 2500 heavy duty. This is the one I bought in Walmart back in 2019. I saw this earlier, but I did not get it. Here it is, Ford Excursion. It's a large SUV and the tallest sport utility vehicle. You know why? It has a large body kit. Ford Excursion. Here it is. Ford Excursion. Here we are. This is it. Ford Excursion. 1997. Turn it away. Yep, Ford Excursion from Jada. I've seen this car before. It has a large SUV. It's much bigger than a Suburban by length. Here it is. This is how you get the Ford Excursion. There it is. Ford Excursion. This is how you get the Excursion if you don't have it before. This is how you find the Ford Excursion. Just hold on. Alright. A Christmas ornament. That's the only way to get this vehicle. For Excursion. This is the last vehicle in my Jada lineup. After that, there will be no more Jada, just trucks. Next year, I'm not gonna get that many. So I'm just showing the Ford Excursion. I really love this vehicle. Only Ford Excursion. Because this is a large SUV. There was a civilian version as well in the past and the police version of this truck. This one looks very good. Have a great day.